What is good, family? It's your boy I am, and this is I Am Sneakers. After 10 decades, I'm back. Yes, nagbabalik muli. And in today's episode, magka-claim tayo ng free shoes. Akala nyo wala nang libre sa mundo? Meron pa, sapatos. So, we will claim free shoes from Urban Athletics. Kukwento ko mamaya sa inyo kung paano ko nakuha yun. And yeah, tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! The reason why I got free shoes from Urban Athletics kasi sumali ako dun sa Wear Your Way Fit Challenge nila sa Instagram. You can check that on their Instagram account. Luckily, or I can say, I've been blessed by our creator na magkaroon ng free shoes from them. So yun, i-claim natin today. Bibiyahe tayo from Pampanga to Urban Athletics branch nila sa Conrad. I think that is MOA area, Mall of Asia area. So mahaba-habang biyahe to. Ito yung mga pinagpilian kong shoes. Check out kung ano yung final na napili ko. Posibleng magbago siya pag nasa store na ako. Kasi may list of choices lang sila na binigay. So basically, dyan lang ako pumili. Pero abangan nyo na lang at the end of this video kung ano yung nanalo sa mga selections. So tara, biyahe na tayo. Malayo-layo to. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa Robinson Star Mills, Pampanga. Hindi ko dadaling yung sasakyan mula Pampanga hanggang sa Manila or sa MOA area kung saan natin pipikapin yung free shoes. I decided na mag-park na lang muna dito sa terminal. Ito lang naman yung terminal. So safe naman dito, may guard. Tipid tayo kung magko-commute lang tayo from Pampanga to then dito na din tayo bababa pang pauwi. So dito naka-park si Kahel. Ang pang-taxi or pang-grab natin na kotse. Bago tayo sumakay ng bus, quick fit check muna tayo, guys. And quick fit check tayo. Shorts, AJ3 reimagined, white cement, tas basic na sando lang. Then hoodie from MNLA. My favorite hoodie. Pag hoodie, MNLA, di ka bibiguin. Then bag na camo from Jordan as well. So ito na. Pag umulan, nilamig tayo or mag-aangkas tayo, so may protection tayo sa ulan or init, mag-hoodie na lang tayo. So yun, tara. So finally, we're here at Urban Athletics dito sa Conrad, yung branch nila dito sa Conrad. So alam niyo na kung ano yung napili ko. It's a blue box with 3 stripes at the top lid of the box. So none other than Adidas branding here, the size tag, and the label. It's in size 10. Initially, size 9.5 yung gusto ko or preference ko, but they don't have that size. It's Adi Racer. Ayan siya. A typical Adidas box, and have the tissue paper in white, and here it is. So here is the shoe. It's in black and white colorway with that piece type on the lateral side of the shoe. We have that black with Adidas branding here, and the material is a suede material. Most of the uppers, and you have I'm not sure if this is a synthetic leather, but a white leather on the three stripe with perforations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 3. So same as on the medial side of the shoe. And on the back panel, you have that logo of the Adidas. You have the black face. I'm not sure if it has extra lace, but it doesn't have. And on the toe box, you have that black suede as well. And on the suede part, you have that stitching pattern, including the Adidas logo as well. I like the feel of the suede. It feels premium. And on the sock liner, you have that smooth. It's not a leather. It seems like smooth material. You have that white insoles and Adidas branding as well. While the outsole, you have that black and white pattern at the middle, and the Adidas branding and logo there. Let's see if this will fit. Tingnan natin. Tatry ko. With size 10, medyo maluwag siya. Initially kasi size 9.5 ako. Talaga yun yung true to size ko. However, wala nang size 9.5. So, pagtsagaan ko na lang to. Maybe gamit ako makapal na medyas just to, para ma-feel mo na saktong-sakto siya. So, ito yung POV na suot. Sobrang solid kasi wala pa akong sneakers na black and white. Puro loafers. So, I have the alternative na sneakers using with black and white, I mean. So, ito siya. Point of view. So, makikita nyo, I think bumagay naman siya sa suot natin because I have the black and white hats of Gary. So, what do you guys think? Bigyan ko yun ng magandang angulo. Sana makuha natin siya. Yeah, there you go. Ayan siya. Para makita yung appreciate nyo lang yung. What do you guys think? Pag ito sa George, it's blanc. Ganda. Tapos, comfy siya. Just feel grounded kasi yung footbed, hindi siya makapal. I mean, hindi siya chunky. So, you can feel the ground pag suot mo siya. Ayun. So, hindi rin mag-increase yung height natin dito since sobrang manipis yung sole or mid-sole. So far, ang ganda. Gusto ko. I like the color as well. It's very versatile and kaya mong bagayan kahit anong suot mo. Even just a plain white, plain black, all white, you know. Everything goes with this particular colorway. Yeah. Expect the unexpected, guys. Luckily, I got the size 9.5, the initial size that I've ordered or I requested. Huge shout out to Kuya. Bro, salamat. Thank you for, kasi sa kanya size to talaga. So, size 9.5 na to. So, salamat, Kuya. Goods na goods kasi saktong-sakto siya. Kahit hindi ko siya i-lace. Tsaka kasi mukhang maluwag sa akin yung size 10 eh. So, fortunately, galing talaga. Kung di ako nagtanong, hindi tayo mabibigyan ng size 9.5 talaga. If you are interested, there are some colorways or available colorways that are on sale here at Urban Athletics. So they are in pre-holiday sale up to 60% off October 1 to 31, 2025. So they have this red colorway as well for that particular silhouette. Ito yung pangalawa, di ba? Sa mga gusto ko rin. And so far, mas happy ako sa black. Let me know in the comment section down below ano yung mas maganda, ito o yung black. Meron din silang green. Ayos din tong green. They do have the white colorway. They are on sale actually. It's only 4,080 now. Yung before nila is 6,800. These are in Philippine peso. So they have the white, red, white, blue, and yung nanalo syempre, may nanalo na the black one. Iba talaga yung black and white, lalo na pag Adidas eh. Yes, that's pretty much all about this episode. A huge shout out again to Urban Athletics for a free pair of shoes. And I'm lucky. And I'm glad that I got my initial size that I requested. And I have shout out to Kuya na ginive up niya yung size niya para sa akin. So I'm glad. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this pair. Did you love them? Did you cop one? Or are you planning to get one? Yeah, anything that you want to share, leave a comment below and let me know. And if you haven't yet already, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember, cop what you want, rock what you love. See you on the next one. God bless. Hanggang sa muli.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and